Hello everybody, welcome back to the Irish Overseer. Today I just thought I'd do a little quick video on a company called NIO. So a lot of people know about NIO who are in the investing game. They're a Chinese automobile manufacturer headquartered in Shanghai, specializing in designing and developing electric vehicles. So obviously they have the big competitor Tesla. Will be the big person to challenge, a big company they need to take on. But here's just a couple of pictures of them. Yeah, they look really nice. I'd love it, NIO. I have to be honest with you. I think they look very nice, very modern, even a bit futuristic. But I just thought I'd talk a little bit about them because there aren't too many videos maybe given people's own opinions about them. So here we go. Here's a little tweet from Elon Musk that he did back in November. 420 is 10 times better than 42. Obviously a dig at the share price of both NIO and Tesla, obviously making it out that Tesla's 10 times better. Here's a couple of charts. All my charts are from Revolut. That's where I invest in stocks. Here's just a couple of charts from NIO over the past year, past 6 months. I think I might have weekly or monthly, and then I think I have a weekly chart here as well. So you can see a couple of my buy points. Obviously, over the past week, we've been on a 20% down. So I think it's actually a very good time to buy. Over the past 5 years, you're talking 400% growth. Here's just something I snagged back in, where was it, 20th of October 2019. It was only $1.50 a share. You put 1,000 back in then now. Back then, you'd have like $50,000 right now. Yeah, look, they're very exciting. Obviously that tweet was a dig, but maybe he was feeling a little bit uncomfortable at the growth of NIO, at how quick it's going. I mean, if you look at the Tesla charts over the past month, they've made 40%. I mean, that's crazy. I do have an investment in Tesla too, but look, I think I am a little bit late in the Tesla game. There's my buy points over the last couple of months. I've obviously got a good bit of growth since I've bought, but I mean, I would have loved to join much earlier. My own predictions on NIO, just because they're a Chinese company and they're so good at monopolizing everything, the Chinese, you'd have to maybe consider that, yeah, there is a possibility that they will extremely grow over the next few years as they start to distribute across Europe. Here's an article I read why NIO stock was down this week. It wasn't immediately clear why NIO shares were trading lower. There was no negative news from the company. On the contrary, earlier this week, NIO reported record deliveries in November and said that it's accelerating plans to boost production due to high demand. Let me see, blah, 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 blah. NIO shares also fell on Thursday after a Wall Street analyst cut his rating on another rival, XPeng, from a buy to neutral, saying in essence that after its recent 200% plus gain, XPeng shares, blah, 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 blah. As we all know, stocks can and do move up and down for no apparent reason. In this case, it might be nothing more than traders taking profits or reallocating capital. That's what I think it is. I don't think anyone's really terrified that NIO's going to crash or anything like that. I do think it's going to be very strong. Should you invest 1,000 in NIO Inc. right now? Before you consider NIO Inc., you'll want to hear this. This is always that clickbait stuff. These amazing investors would rather pick these 10 companies. Look, I do think NIO's going to do very well. It's definitely a buy for me. If anyone has any comments or insights or thoughts into it, please let me know and I will comment back, or any answers that I have or if you have for me. That's it, guys. I plan on doing a more in-depth video, but that's it for now. So take care, folks.